Fáilte roimh go fáil mí mis Gaeilge. Welcome back to Let's Learn Irish. Level A1 topic adóiag Rannóg Handouts an freagra is fearr ag díriú bheithig Éisteacht. Level A1 topic 12 section 11 the best answer focusing on listening. Le múna tuaire mí a lurg agus thuairt faoin áit. Seeking and giving opinions about a place. Like an bhuileog an freagra is fearr uait don gníomhaíocht seo, you'll need a handout, the best answer for this activity. There's a link in the description box below to the handouts and notes for the unit. An freagra is fearr. Éisteacht leis na ceistena sa bhír, chuir tic leis an breagra ceart i ngach gás. Cloisfidh tú an bhír dhá uair. Listen to the questions in the sound clip. Put a tick beside the correct answer in each case. You will hear the sound clip twice.
An freagra is fearr. Cén cíneál láistín a bhí agad? Cén áit rud tú ar saoire i mbliana? Go dté mar a bhí an amsir? Ar háiseanna na Éisteacht. An rud tú ar Laethanta saoire i mbliana? Cé chuaigh leat? An freagra is fearr. Cén cíneál láistín a bhí agad? Cén áit rud tú ar saoire i mbliana? Go dté mar a bhí an amsir? Ar háiseanna na Éisteacht. An rud tú ar Laethanta saoire i mbliana? Cé chuaigh leat?
An freagra is fearr. Script. Cén cineál lóistín a bhí agad? What type of accommodation did you have? Cén áit a raibh tú ar saoire i mbliana? Where did you go on holiday this year? Cad é mar a bhí an aimsir? How was the weather? Ar thaithin an áit leat. Did you like the place? An raibh tú ar Laethanta saoire i mbliana? Have you been on holiday this year? Cé a chuaigh leat? Who went with you? Finish. Éis the rís leis an script. Listen again with the script.
An freagra is fearr. Cén cíneál láistín a bhí agad? Cén áit rud tú ar saoire i mbliana? Go dté mar a bhí an amsir? Ar háiseanna na Éisteacht. An rud tú ar Laethanta saoire i mbliana? Cé chuaigh leat?
An freagra is fearr. Na freagraí. The best answer, answers. Iver hain, cén cineál lóistín a bhí agad? D'an mé in óstán, mo chara bhríd, bhí sé an te, agus an ceann is fearr, d'an mé in óstán. I stayed in a hotel. Cén áit a raibh tú ar saoire i mbliana? Where were you on holiday this year? Bhí na daoine cordial, the people were friendly. Bhí mé sa Spáin, I was in Spain. Tá mé ag dul go America an bhí se chuain. I'm going to America next month. An ceann is fearr? No, bhí mé sa Spáin. I was in Spain. Cad é mar a bhí an aimsir? How was the weather? Bhí an bia go hálinn. The food was great. Chat mé caiiciis i Cuba. I spent a fortnight in Cuba. Bhí sé róthe. It was too hot. An freagra is fearr? Bhí sé róthe. It was too hot. Ar thaithin an áit leat. Did you like the place? Bhí sé fuair. It was cold. Thaithin. I liked it. Ní raibh na daoine cordial. The people were not friendly. An freagra is fearr? Thaithin. Iver cuaig, an rátuair Laethanta Saoire in Míle. Were you on holiday yet this year? Ní rá, I wasn't. Don me imrú, I stayed in a hostel. Mar rahar, my brother. An freagra is fearr, no, ní rá, I was not. Iver sé, cé chuaigh leat? Who went with you? Cha me Éisteachtain sa Gaeilge, I spent a week in Greece. Mar chéile, my husband. Bhí sé an saoire, it was very cheap. Agus an freagra is fearr, no, mar chéile, my husband. Anish, lay na ceistena amach ó sword. And now read the questions out loud. Iver a hen, cén cinál lóistín a bhí agat? Iver a dó, cén áit a ráiltú ar Saoire in Míle? Iver a trí, ca dé mar a bhí an aimsir? Iver a cethair, ar thaithin an áit leat? Iver a cuaig, an ráiltú ar Laethanta Saoire in Míle. Iver a sé, cé a chuaigh leat? Agus sin deire le Rannóg a Handouts on freagra is fearr. That's the end of section 11, the best answer. Tura mí a lurg agus a thuairt faoin áit. Seeking and giving opinions about a place. Tá na nótaí agus bilóga oibre le fáil in éineacht le cóid fuaimne agus nasca na quizle, suíomh lúscartaí. The lecture notes and worksheets to accompany the course, along with the MP3 files and Quizlet links, this is a flashcard website, are available. The original files are available to download at Teastas Eorpach na Gaeilge, teg.ie, or edited versions can be found at my website, simplyjacintha.com. Direct link is in the description box below. Míle buíochas the Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge as cead a thuairt dom úsáid a bhaint as na háiseanna closamhairc atá le fáil ar a suíomh. Many thanks to Teastas Eorpach na Gaeilge for their information to use, the learning materials and resources that are available on their website. Tásúlgam gur bhain sibh tanna bhas. I hope you enjoyed it and got some use out of it. If you did, like and subscribe and share with your friends who may be interested in learning Irish.